In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush fields, lived a spirited 12-year-old boy named Aarav. While his peers absorbed themselves in the latest video games, Aarav found himself drawn to the creaky wooden doors of his family's small garage, a space teeming with possibilities and forgotten treasures. Here, Aarav would spend endless hours tinkering with old wires, discarded toys, and various spare parts. Aarav's innate ability to breathe life back into broken objects was remarkable, and his eyes sparkled with every new creation. Though his hands often bore minor cuts and his clothes were perpetually dust-streaked, Aarav found joy in crafting machines that brought smiles to those around him. One sunny afternoon, driven by a desire to assist his mother, Aarav embarked on his most ambitious project yet. After rummaging through metal scraps and parts, Aarav envisioned a robot that could lighten household chores. As the sun dipped beneath the horizon, and after much trial and error, Aarav stood back to admire his masterpiece, a small robot that not only watered plants, but also told jokes to cheer anyone within earshot. When Aarav unveiled his creation to his neighbors, the village erupted with astonishment and laughter. News of the young inventor spread, and soon his school began regarding him as a genius. Teachers praised his ingenuity, while students listened intently to his tales of innovation. Yet, amid the newfound fame, Aarav remained unbothered. He wasn't driven by accolades or recognition. His heart lay with solving problems and helping his community. Shortly after his robotic triumph, the village faced a daunting power cut. Rather than being deterred, Aarav saw another opportunity to lend a hand. With conviction, he repurposed broken fans, old batteries, and bicycle wheels to engineer a small yet efficient windmill. This ingenious device helped the villagers charge their phones and light candles during long, dark nights.